everyone, today I'm going to explain a code which defines the classes of various dice and a cup that holds a multiple dice. And the first class here we declared is the six-sided die, where it represents a six-sided die where the role of self, or where the function role of self and max value, which is equal to 6, simulates the rolling die and returns the random face value between 1 and the max value. uh, and next function, the get face value returns the current face value of the die, and the representation for self, it returns the string representation of the die. The next function here I've used in the 10 side die, where represents as in 10 side die inheriting properties and methods from 6 sided die, overrides the roll method to, to a roll 20-sided die in a roll method die instead, overrides the represent uh, method provide for to roll a 10-sided die instead. Provide a string representation of 10-sided die. The next one is 20-sided die represents the 20-sided die inheriting properties and methods from 6-sided die, overrides the roll method of roll to 20-sided die instead, overrides the representation method to provide a string representation of a 20-sided die. The next is a cup class, where it represents a cup containing multiple dices of different types. In it, where self 6 equal to 110 equal to 120 initializes the cup with specified numbers of 6, 10, and 20 side dice. Roll self is the rolls all the dice in the cup, and representation self returns a string representation of the cup. uh, Here is the example usage. Like, let us run the code, where it represents the creates a cup with six side die, five six side die, two 10-sided die, 10 sided die, and one 20-sided die. Rolls the dice in the cup and prints the sum of the faces of the all the dice in the cup, and brings the string representation of the cup. Overall, this dice and cup extend to extend 6 die class and create 10 side die and 20 side die classes. We can utilize the inheritance. In these subclasses, we override init method to set the number of the sides appropriate for 10 sided die and a 20-sided die. We utilize super function to call the constructor. Super function to call the constructor of the superclassic sided die with the desired number of the sides. Um, this way, we compose the uh, cup class with the different types of dice classes. Six-sided die, 10-sided die, 20, allowing the flexibility in creating the cups in various combination of the dice. Thank you.